Hello students, as you already know, on the basis of sentence patterns, we have three types of sentences. Number 1, simple sentence. Number 2, compound sentence. Number 3, complex sentence. In the first part or in the previous part, I discussed simple sentences to you. Now in the second part, I am going to discuss compound sentences to you. Now, in order to understand compound sentences, let us see some examples. Number 1, he came in and I went out. Number 2, night came on and rain fell heavily and we all got very wet. The first sentence is made up of two statements of simple sentences joined together by a conjunction and similarly the second sentence is made up of three statements of simple sentences joined together by a conjunction and. Now, if we separate example number 1 into two statements of simple sentences, then we will have number 1, he came in, number 2, I went out. Now, here one thing is important to note that these two statements are of equal rank. That is, neither of them is inferior to the other or dependent on the other. It means each of them has independent existence. It means each of the simple sentences has independent existence. So, such a sentence which is made up of clauses of equal rank is called a compound sentence. Now, see some more examples of compound sentences. Number 1, the fact is true and I can prove it. This is also an example of a compound sentence where two simple sentences are joined by a conjunction and. Example number 2, it is raining, however, we went for a walk. Same thing is done here also. Here also, we have two simple sentences joined together by a conjunction and. Now, see some shortened form of the compound sentences. Number 1, he called at my house but left soon after. This sentence we can write this way also. He called at my house but he left soon after. So, in order to make it short, the subject he has been removed in the first sentence. Now, see the example number 2. He dug the pit and covered it with leaves. Same thing has been done here also. The subject he has been removed from the second part of the compound sentence so that it can be shortened. So this sentence we can write this way also. He dug the pit and covered it with leaves. Now see example number 3. Some played hockey and others cricket. This sentence we can write this way. Some played hockey and others played cricket. Now, see, sometimes a single verb is used with two subjects. It means there will be two subjects but only one verb. In these sentences, the subjects are mainly joined by but and therefore or nor as well as not only but also. Now understand this with the help of some examples. He as well as Hari is guilty. Here we have two subjects, he and Hari, but a single verb has been used for both the subjects and that is he. So this sentence we can write this way also. He is guilty as well as Hari is guilty. Now see the second example. A train goes fast but an aeroplane faster. Here same thing is there. We have two subjects, train and aeroplane, but the verb is single and that is goes. So we can write this sentence this way also. A train goes fast but an aeroplane goes faster. Now sometimes what happens, two or more subjects are joined by and but they are considered as a single subject. For example, Rahul, Syam and Shivam are friends. Here Rahul, Syam and Shivam They are considered as a single subject, not more than one subjects. And that's all.